Are you spending a lot of time posting to groups? Today, I will introduce to you a software that automatically posts to groups on Facebook en masse. The software will automatically post to groups according to UID, according to the content and images you have installed in the software. In addition, the software also has a system for raising unlimited Facebook accounts like real users. We hope this information will be helpful to you. If you are interested in the software, please contact me via Telegram, which I pinned below. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to the channel to learn more about software.